Before buying an RC police car with lights and sirens, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it, and it's not what you think. Most of these toys look identical online, but the difference shows up after a few minutes of play. Product number 1, FDJ Transformer RC Car. The FDJ remote control car caught my eye because it transforms from a police car into a robot with one button, something most other RC police cars don't do. It's positioned as a mid-range toy, and while the price isn't listed, it's clearly aimed at kids who love action and variety. If you want a toy that doubles the fun by changing forms, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4 GHz remote control means no signal interference, so multiple kids can race their own transforming cars at once. The 360-degree rotating wheels let it drift and spin like a stunt car, and the flashing LED lights give that authentic police cruiser vibe. It's built for rough play too, made from durable ABS plastic that handles drops and crashes. With over 1,000 sold in the past month, it's clearly popular, even without reviews yet. Now, some people might complain that it requires 2 AA batteries and doesn't include them, which is true. You'll need to grab those separately. Here's the thing though, most RC toys at this level don't include batteries anyway, so it's not really a surprise. Just keep that in mind before gifting it. This is perfect for you if you have a kid obsessed with robots and cars, especially around ages 3 to 7. Skip this one if you want something simple and realistic. The transformation feature is fun, but it's more of a novelty than a true police car experience. For the price and features, it's solid value. Product number 2, Kid-Erase Rechargeable Police Cruiser. Alright, that was a fun transformer, but if you want something more realistic and practical, the Kid-Erase Rechargeable Police Car steps up. Priced at $63.33, it's on the higher end, but it includes features most others don't. If you want a police car that feels like the real deal and lasts longer between charges, this one's a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses a built-in rechargeable battery with USB charging, no more buying AA batteries every week. You get up to 30 minutes of drive time, which is solid for continuous play. The 4 GHz remote gives you control from over 160 feet away, and you can race up to 6 cars at once without interference. Plus, the realistic siren sounds, flashing lights, and engine noises make it feel like a mini emergency response unit. Now, some people complained about the weight. It's 2.5 pounds, which is heavier than most. Here's the thing though, that weight adds stability and makes it feel more premium. It's not a deal breaker unless your kid is very young or has motor skill challenges. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, long-range RC police car for kids 8 and up who love immersive play. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer lightweight toys. For the rechargeable feature and range, it's worth the investment. Product number 3, Grossland High-Speed Drift Car. Now, if the Kid-Erase model felt too heavy or expensive, the Grossland RC car offers a faster, lighter alternative at just $25.26. It's a 1/18 scale drift car with bright LED lights and a top speed of 10 km/h, fast enough to feel exciting but safe for indoor use. If you want speed and agility without breaking the bank, this one delivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The sleek design and smooth wheels let it drift around corners like a real race car, and the headlights glow when moving forward, adding to the realism. It's made from shockproof ABS plastic, so it handles crashes well. The remote uses 27 MHz frequency, which means control up to 27 meters, decent for indoor play. Just keep in mind, if you have multiple RC toys, they might interfere with each other since they share the same frequency. Now, some people were frustrated that it needs 6 AA batteries, 4 for the car, 2 for the remote, and none are included. Here's the thing though, at this price point, that's common. It's annoying but expected. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, fast RC car for kids 4 to 8 who love racing and stunts. Skip this one if you plan to run multiple RC cars at once. The frequency interference could ruin the fun. For the price and performance, it's a steal. Product number 4, Lehu Castle Toddler Rescue Set. Alright, that was a speed demon, but if you have younger kids, the Lehu Castle set is built for toddlers. At $30.30, it includes both a police car and fire truck, plus 2 detachable figures and USB-C charging. If you want a safe, educational toy that grows with your child, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The simple 2-button remote is perfect for little hands learning motor skills. There's even a silent mode so you can keep the fun going without the noise. The rounded edges and durable ABS plastic make it safe for rough toddler play. Plus, the USB-C rechargeable batteries mean no more battery waste, a big win for eco-conscious parents. Now, some people said the cars feel a bit small, and they're right. The scale isn't huge, so older kids might outgrow it quickly. Here's the thing though, that size is intentional for small hands and indoor play. It's not meant to be a high-speed racer. This is perfect for you if you have a 3 to 5-year-old who loves role-playing as a hero. Skip this one if you want high speed or long-range control. For toddlers, it's one of the safest and most thoughtful options out there. Product number 5, Britick 1-Button Transformer. Finally, the Britick Transformer RC car brings back the robot transformation, but at a lower price, $22.78. Like the FDJ model, it shifts from police car to robot with 1 button, but it's lighter and more compact. If you want transformation fun on a budget, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4 GHz remote gives you a 50-meter range and fast response, and the 360-degree drift wheels let it spin and slide like a stunt car. The transformation is smooth and satisfying, just press the button and watch it unfold. It's made from durable ABS with no sharp edges, so it's safe for younger kids. Now, some people noted it doesn't include batteries, again, a common issue. But honestly, at this price, it's hard to expect otherwise. Just grab a pack of AAs and you're set. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, interactive toy for a 4 to 8-year-old who loves robots and action. Skip this one if you want realism or long battery life. For under $25, it's a fantastic deal with big wow factor. So which one's best? The FDJ and Britick Transformers are great for kids who love robots. The Kid Erase is the most realistic and durable. The Grossland is fast and affordable, and the Lehu Castle is perfect for toddlers. Each has its strengths, pick based on age, budget, and how your kid plays. Thanks for watching, drop your favorite in the comments.